Work has started.
Down to radius side.
Oh, what?
Video it.
My bike, radius side down. I swear I didn't do that. Was that you?
No.
I think that was you, wasn't it?
Ready to ride.
That's right. We started the work in the rain.
Oh, it's a bit steep. Jump on it. Yeah. Jump on.
First little clear out done. Not quite ready to ride yet. We've got to work on the jumps. OTB.
Ready now. Spade time.
Now I'm going to start some digging. Just filling in the gap so we can turn this into a tabletop so we can actually all jump it. We're definitely not pros. Work is on the go. Stu with his broken spade. Love and life. MTB!
As we can get.
Quick update on the trail.
Coming along good.
Stu grafting out.
Got a bit of a lip.
We're getting a nice little lip on here. Filled in the middle, so it's now a table. MTB. Yeah. Jacob's hiding behind the tree. He's there. He's going to test the jump. The first person to test the new jump. Good luck, Jacob.
I need it.
Jacob's now making his way down the hill. And here he comes. Send it! Test run 1, done. And he survived. Here goes Stu. I'm saving mine till last. Stu's now going. Good luck. Send it! Oh, he got a little bit of air. He got a little bit of air. Jacob's back on his second run. Just sussing out your speed though first. Loving life. Stu's going again. Roll it. Yeah, boy.
Two definitely better.
Getting over.
First run wasn't so bad. Second one a little bit better. First run.
All right, not too bad. Have your foot ready.
Injuries.
Ready to go. I'm ready for another.
Shit, first run.
But you're getting there.
Getting there.
MTB. They're back on it. Jacob's coming in. Yes, Jacob. Oh, Stu's on it as well. Oh, missed that. You alright?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh. Did you just do that jump?
Not very well.
You all good?
Oh, yeah, I think so. Yeah, man.
That's what happens when the least advanced at jumping does the biggest jump we got here that no one else is doing. But he's up, he's good. He's good. Send it.
Oh, mate, that was fucking
Send it. This is the reason for the crash. Bad line choice. Nice and soft.
That ain't me at the bottom though. I was at least up here.
Yeah, you're straight in the middle of it.
Well, I don't know about at least. This bit, I'm not very good for it.
This bit's all hard though.
Dickhead. No. Day one.
How's that injury, Stu?
Alright, it's
Yeah.
just a bit fucking sore.
He's a bit done in.
No swearing.
No swearing, but yeah, it's family friendly channel this one,
It's just a
so
bit sore.
don't listen to Stu.
Don't look at my eyes over then.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
been crying is what he's trying to say.
He's been very upset. Go on, go on.
Yeah, mate.
First day on the new jump. Yeah, fuck.
That is day one at the Heath done. Done a bit of work to the jump. Got an injury. Got a few good clips.
We sent it.
Sent it.
Sent it. Ah.
And that's it. Until next time, episode 2 of the Heath coming soon.